Hi guys, so this is my analysis on GU. We can see that GU did not get to our target, right? I was expecting GU to come to this level before we now push down, but we can see GU did not get to this level right here, but we pushed down to my target. This was my target right here, 1.18686. That's what my target on GU, but I was expecting it to come to this level right here before we now push down to this level. But I guess the market doesn't obey us all the time. You can see it pushed up to this level first before now pushing up to the level I think it to get to before we push down. So that's how beautiful the market goes sometimes, right? So since we are now done with this, right, let's see what next are we expecting. Let me just delete all this so I can have a fresh look on it. Okay, let me go to the daily and see what am I just expecting overall. Okay, let me see something. Let me use my Phoebe and just see. Yeah, we're still on it. I think we are on a downtrend. Yeah, we're still on a downtrend, so let's just see what next on this, because since we are currently at my negative 27.20% fib level, I'm expecting a short reversal. So this is what I'm expecting, right? I'm expecting something like this. There is a break of structure here. There is a break of structure around this level right here, right? So I'm expecting is something like this, right, to come to this level right here. Then we might push up to this level right here. And my reason is because this is my 88.6% fib level. There is also an imbalance right there as well, so that's why it might just come here first before we now finally push down to my next target. This is my next target, which is around 1.17113. So that's my next target right there, but I can currently draw my fib yet because we don't have a point B yet. Let me just see something. Okay. Yeah. So I'll need more. I kind of need more data, right, to see. I wanted to at least retrace a little bit, so I'll have more data for my fib, so we can have like the point A, the point B to draw my fib, right? So I want it to reverse a little bit, and when it reverses, I'm going to draw my fib, then I will know my target. But I'm expecting a short buy, especially when I've gotten to this level right here. I'm expecting a kind of like a pullback, which is like a complete buy direction. When I say complete buy direction, I mean like an impulse, a correction, and a continuation, right? Something like this for a buy move. This is a complete buy direction, so that's what I'm expecting, right? But I have to wait a little bit to have to retest, right? So let me just give you a scenario right now for what I'm expecting. I'm assuming it might just come here to retest, right? Then I take my fib, that when it retests, then I take my fib, right, from here to wherever my point B will be. So this is like just a scenario because it hasn't I don't have a point B yet. It hasn't been traced yet, so I don't have a point B yet. But I'm just going to give you like a scenario of what I'm thinking, right? So let's assume we push down a little bit, then I'll put my fib at the point B, right? Then I will be targeting somewhere here, either here, because there's a breakout structure here, either here, which is around my 78.6%. Before we close to my first level, my second level, then the probability it might just get here, or we might push down here. And the reason is because there is another block here, there's another block here, and there's also an imbalance here as well. So we might just push down to this level, and that is also around my 88.6% fib level. So we might just push down to this area. Then we will go for the first target, the second target, and a possible target right here for us to now finally drop to this level right here, which is like my overall target on the bearish move. So yeah, that's just my overall analysis on GU. Hope this is insightful. Thank you.